Hello mga ka-JV Live. Nandito tayo sa San Clemente Pier. And nagkakataon na sa inyong harapan ay ang mga wooden wagon. They were built in the 30s and 40s, even 50s I think. And the roof is made of wood. The floor is even made of wood. Yeah, these are the original campers, Southern California Woody Club. And this one is binibenta. Oh. Yan ang presyo. Greatest show on surf. Yeah, you can see it's made of wood. Look at that. Let's check the engine. Wow, it's a very clean engine. Yeah, look at that. Belt. Yeah, the tiki god. Look at those, stainless steel. You get what you pay for on this one. Very good. Is that including the license plates when you buy it?
Probably, you know.
Yeah, check this one out. 1938.
I like the way you put the surfboard up there.
Platinum plates. And then the mermaid. Look at that. The Sirena. D.W. Weber. Look at that. Look at that. There's even 3 layers of seats. So maybe 3 people there, 2 people here, another 3. So 8 people can get on this wooden car. Very nice. Tignan natin ang makina nito. Ayan. Ayan. Galing ng battery. Liit. Battery ba yan? Liit yan. Wow. Sana hindi ka nahilo sa camera angle ko. Just read it. Check this one. Oh, this is made of wood too. What a camping gear. Look at that. La Jolla Conquerors. Wow. The doors are made of wood. The Silverbird is up there. Check this out. California. Look at the roof. Nice roof up there. This one is lowered for your enjoyment. It's made of wood. Good music there. Now this is the smallest woody car around here, like a mini. National Woody Club, Wave Press, 1967. It's a Morris Woody. Please Google if they modified this or it was originally a Woody car. Let's check out yung pinakamatandang kotse dito. Hoover for President. Keep enforce prohibition. Enforce prohibition. This is 30s. Oldsmobile. Look at that. Check that. Lansing, Michigan.
Okay.
So on the front,
Like-
so you can customize them by just cutting the nylon string.
Okay.
Check those out.
The ceiling inside, that's 3/4 inch half round. So that's on
The roof. The ceiling is made of wood.
Yeah, I remember this is 1920.
Camping.
No,
For
you
car
hang it
heating?
under the hood because you don't have antifreeze.
Oh.
This is
Ah,
from Colorado, so that keeps your engine from
this is
freezing.
the antifreeze back then.
Your piano or your car.
Car.
Pretty good pace, you know.
These are the
We
same
can
stuff. Sambo,
Oh,
X-Cruise, yeah.
that's back
And you
then.
had a lot of symbols like that back in the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Angie,
On the switch, you've got beam control, and the bottom is rounded. Well, the reason it was rounded was in the back of your uniform, there's a slit, and you slide it down the back of your pants.
Okay.
When I used to teach at the academy, I'd show that and ask that same question. I said, now what's this part for? And oh no, that's the fire. This is teaching rules of the road. You got orange with caution.
back
Is
in
that
the
from another
20s.
vehicle or is that from the original?
It was a new old stock.
Interesting.
eBay Motors now. MOS. New old stock.
1924. Wow, that's gonna be the warmer.
To have something thrown, it's like this. Gate would come down and it's got
You can see, you can zoom in how many miles.
store all the luggage.
Interesting. Oh, a great bird. Let's check out the surf. Surfers there. Interesting. Let's keep on walking, guys. There's another lowered woody ship, woody car. Keep off. Posters.
Yeah, maybe we could.
Just so they'll enjoy it.
Southern California Woody Club. Check this one out. Woody Club. This one will have a lot of stickers. So yan mga dates, Woody. Yeah, pero nagkakitaan din nila ito dahil mga Shunto, yung mga sponsor, binabayaran din sila. Kaya they keep the car and also making money out of it. John Deere is moving. Let's enjoy the surfing competition that's going on. These are the lifeguard on a watch. Look at them. Not sure how much they get paid, but it's a good thing on the resume. Oh, now's the races going on. These are the swimmers. Check, check, check. Tignan nyo po. Ang lamig ng tubig. But with the red orange cap, not sure this is a triathlon. So please subscribe to JV Live at YouTube, of course, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all other social media. JV Live. And you can email jvlive@gmail.com. JackandV.com. That's J Jack and V as in Victor. Look at them. Alright. So we're gonna end this video, the YouTube channel for this episode of JB Live. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.